Well guys, me and Doggo and the next best thing, I've been sitting here for 2 days. 2 days waiting. Don't lie to them. 2 days for this payment issue to be dealt with. So yeah, he can't count or pronounce Wisconsin. Go ahead, pronounce it.
Wisconsin.
Ha! He finally got it. So anyway, we're down to one last signature and the truck is paid for and ready to roll. So hopefully here within the next few minutes we'll be in the truck, warming it up and hitting the road. But we've been thinking that for 2 days now. Yeah, so, and 14 months. 2 days and 14 months. Yeah. While we're waiting, Doggo wanted out to play in the snow. Now she's not sure she likes it out there so well. Are you done playing? Huh? You want back in? Out the car. Come on, get out the car. Alright, I'll let you in. Okay guys, so I've got an exciting announcement to make. Exciting for me anyway. Paperwork Princess, my daughter, has started her own YouTube channel with her new job. And she's actually a manager with the company because she does such a good job with it. But y'all go over and subscribe to her channel, check it out, give her a bunch of thumbs up. I'm going to put a link below this video in the description.
I'm bored.
Yeah, he's being a pain as usual. Anyway, y'all support her. Go over there and subscribe to her channel. Well, guys, the moment we have been waiting for 14 months and 2 days is almost here. Any moment now, pulling around the corner of that building is going to be the mothership. Or so they tell me. And there she comes. Not from where I expected. But oh, look at that beauty. I think I'm going to cry. Listen to it. Oh yeah. On the road again. Well, we're finally on the road again in the middle of a Chicago blizzard. It's actually not coming down too bad right now at the moment. But we're supposed to get more and then turn to ice. Heater core, all of this stuff is new, brand new heater hoses. And of course they were supposed to have done a good thorough cleaning under here. And as you can see, look at that. That's the dealership's thorough cleaning that they charged $52,000 to do. Yeah. I've already been cleaning a bunch out from under here. Let's see what we can get this time. Watch this. Look there. Of course, if y'all remember, when it happened, it was coming out this vent right here. Big, huge puddle I was picking up with a dustpan. So, they made some progress.